breaking inputs coming in. What we have now learned is that Rahul Gandhi is expected to meet Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge around 5 o'clock this evening. Let me go across to my colleague Niyamika for more on this. Niyamika, what is this meeting all about that's going to happen between Rahul Gandhi and Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge?
Well, the timing is very crucial as currently amid the ongoing power tussle in the state of Karnataka, this high-level meeting is going to take place at the residence of Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge. Rahul Gandhi is going to meet the Congress president as it is being expected that after yesterday's meeting regarding the leadership change in the state of Karnataka, now this meeting is also about to discuss to maintain, a caste equation in the state of Karnataka. It is not just about the leadership change, but also the way in which cabinet reshuffle is expected. There is a need to change the KPCC president as well. All of these discussions are going to take place as that is what our sources are telling us. In fact, we have also got to know that this time, just to maintain this social balance within the cabinet, it is also being expected that there can be multiple deputy chief ministers which are going to be appointed by the Congress party. As of now, the 3 deputy chief ministers formula is also under consideration, and all of these talks are currently going to take place in this crucial meeting. As yesterday also, after this particular meeting which had taken place in Indira Bhavan, there was a separate discussion which had taken place between Mr. Randeep Singh Surjewala, who is the Karnataka General Secretary. He held talks with Rahul Gandhi, and it is being this responsibility is basically being given to Mr. Randeep Singh Surjewala to talk to the senior leaders within the state of Karnataka and to prepare a report just to make a balance between all the communities for these particular positions, whether it is about the deputy chief minister post or also about the cabinet reshuffle which is expected in the state of Karnataka.
Right. Stay on with us, Niyamika. Now, viewers, these are also anxious times for Siddha loyalists because clear indications are there that he's going to step down tomorrow. And Times Now spoke exclusively to H.K. Patil after he met Siddaramaiah. He said leaders are anxious as of now and all eyes are on High Command's decision. Listen in.
What are the discussions that were held? One second, sir, please, sir, you respond to us.
Many of the ministers and the MLAs,
yes, sir.
We met Honorable Chief Minister.
Yes,
We are also naturally in anxiety about what appeared in press and electronic media.
Yes, sir.
He maintained silence.
Yes,
this
sir.
much I can say.
Yes, sir.
He maintained silence. Some of us expressed our sense of concern. And that is what was the meeting. Nothing more transpired there.
So, many ministers, sir, from the morning who've been meeting with the chief minister, sir, reports now that all of you are pressurizing him not to step down at this time, sir.
I will only say that we have expressed our concern, and he was totally silent. He was silent. And we may meet again, because it was not fair on our part to hold him for more time. Maybe in the evening, some of the friends were saying that we should meet, etc., etc.
Sir, what is the general sentiment among the senior leaders, sir? Would it be acceptable to
No,
senior leaders to take the CM?
I have said what I wanted to tell you.